Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back.
I'm just gonna be headed out to do some errands today. I've got my little shopping buddy with me. First I'm gonna go get some groceries. We gotta take the dog to the groomers. We're building a table today. It's gonna be a long day.
We don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just
I was also shopping for some containers for my under the sink organizing video, so make sure and be watching for that.
party like freaking out to the beat till we freak out, singing like party like freaking out to the beat till we freak out, singing like where's the fun in doing what you're told? No, I don't mind even though I lose control. Oh, I just wanna have a good time, so call me whenever, 'cause a night like this, it never gets old. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go to the beat and freak out.
When I put my strawberries in my mason jar, I don't wash them first. Once you wash them, they start getting bad a little bit faster. So for those ones, I don't wash. Here you see me using a straw to take out the tops of all my strawberries. I've noticed that you get a lot less waste that way. And it's super easy. I like to chop some of my strawberries. These ones have been washed. These are great for me to sprinkle over some of my daycare kiddos' fruit. Sometimes when they have bananas or even making strawberry lemonades, it's nice just to have a little bit of that in the fridge. I'll put a link to a chopper similar to the one that I used in the description down below. The strawberries are also really great to sprinkle in some yogurt for a really easy breakfast. If you're storing food in these large mason jars and are storing something that needs some ventilation, it's super easy to poke a few holes in some of these mason jars. As you can see, they take full advantage of that vertical space in your fridge, and they're really easy to move around and see what you have.
To the beat till we freak out, singing like
You gotta listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can't get from you. Boy, I don't need that much. How can I tell you what I wanna do? I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that
I started to do an intro for us going to the groomers, but I decided to put my husband's clip in instead.
Oh, we're on the way to the groomers. You better not use that.
I'm using that.
I will so kill you if you use that.
This is Harley. We're on our way to the groomers. And Benny. Hopefully when we get out, they'll be looking good. And hopefully my husband won't kill me when I post that. While the dogs were at the groomers, we decided to run some errands. We needed to go to Lowe's to get some stuff. My husband's making me a buffet table today, so I thought it'd be fun to kind of film a little bit of that. We also ended up having to go to Home Depot because we couldn't find everything that we needed at Lowe's.
I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that
I decided to show some of the stuff that we got at Home Depot. Just some people have curiosity over some of the things that are used to make different projects.
Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know
gotta give my husband a shout out here. He always is doing all of the projects that I have in my head, and I have a lot of them. He's a super talented guy. He isn't even a carpenter, but he seems to be able to manage to basically do any project that I ask. Doesn't always happen in a timely manner, but this one in particular did. Comment down below some of the things that you have on your husband's honey-do list.
That I just wanna be with you. Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the stars. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know? That I just wanna be with you.
Make sure and check back to future videos to see the finished product.
Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time.
We just got back with the dogs from the groomers. They look so much better. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell for future videos. I hope you have a blessed day.